What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is January 12th? Yeah, January 12th, 7:30 p.m. Tomorrow is our indoor car show. TunerEvo at the West Palm Beach Convention Center. Now I'm super excited because there hasn't been like an indoor car show in years, like a good one. So I'm gonna go to that tomorrow. Right now I'm just getting ready to grill me up a nice steak. No paint this week, probably not next week, probably the week after. So in like 2 weeks we'll probably paint, but as of now, no paint. But see you guys in a little bit. What's up guys? It is Saturday, January 13th now. Yeah, January 13th. We are heading to downtown to the convention center to go to a car show. We are going to TunerEvo. This is the first like indoor car show we've had in a few years, and I am excited for it. I have a game plan to film this. I think I'm gonna first film a cinematic thing, and then I'm gonna like talk about some builds and like maybe choose my favorite builds. But making my way there now. It's 11:40. It's about a 25-minute drive. So I will see you guys when I get there. Sorry for the harsh lighting. Overhead lights don't like get me well. But it's 6:11. I'm leaving an hour early. So my initial thoughts on TunerEvo, amazing. I like it. I was surprised about the drift RCs. I didn't know that was gonna happen, but it's making me want to buy one again. I did buy a bunch of things. I'm gonna say my favorite car was that wide body E30, and then I really liked the B2200, the Mazda, that truck on the big ass wires. That was unique. I'm not gonna be there for the awards, but that's all right. But I'm gonna head home and start at this video so I can get up to tomorrow. I do have bad news. Clean Culture has been rescheduled once again. It's being rescheduled to March, I think March, yeah. So I think I'm still gonna want to go to it because I still have never been to that one, so it'll be a cool experience. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you when I see you.